Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize the chart view in ProjectionLab. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on making your charts clearer, more readable, and better aligned with what you want to analyze. We'll move step by step through the interface so you know exactly where to click and what each option does. First, open ProjectionLab in your web browser. Give the page a moment to load so the dashboard and chart area are fully ready. To follow along with the same screens you're seeing here, click on the sample plan. This opens a ready-made scenario that's perfect for exploring the chart settings without changing your own data. Once the sample plan is open, look toward the chart area and click on the display option. This is where the main visualization controls live. It's your hub for tailoring how financial projections appear at a glance, which can make comparison and trend spotting much easier. Next, select chart type. Here you can choose the overall shape of the data story you want to tell. Click on bar or line. Bar charts are excellent for comparing values period by period, like seeing yearly totals side by side. Line charts shine when you want to follow a trend over time and notice the slope, peaks, and dips. Pick the one that best matches your goal for this view. Now move into Appearance. This section focuses on how the chart looks rather than what it shows. It's designed to improve readability and ensure that your visualization fits the tone and style you prefer, whether you like a clean, minimal layout or something more vivid. Inside Appearance, click on Style. Style settings influence the overall feel of your chart. This is typically where you'd adjust elements like color themes, grid visibility, and labeling emphasis to make key information stand out. If your chart feels cluttered or too subtle, the Style area is where you fine-tune those details so the important parts are crystal clear. Finally, click on Chart Size. The size controls help you match the chart to your layout. A larger chart can make dense data easier to read and present, while a smaller one keeps your workspace tidy if you're comparing multiple views. Choose a size that feels comfortable for your screen and the level of detail you want to see. That's it. By opening a plan, choosing the right chart type, and refining appearance, style, and chart size, you'll create a chart view that's easier to interpret and more useful for decision making. Take a moment to review your chart and make small adjustments until it communicates exactly what you need.